Problem 2, it says use the busting B method to factor 12x squared plus 11x plus 2. Now normally we could sit here and try 12x and x, 6x and 2x, 3x and 4x, and then the multiples of 2, and look at all the combinations. That's what we've done in the past. But here, that's very important for you to know how to do, because it's very good with working your brain and thinking out of the different combinations. But here's the busting B method. It's called busting B because we're going to bust the B value up. Now remember, the value in front of x squared is your A value. This number in front of your x is your B value. And this number is your C value. Well, the way we do this is we first start by multiplying our A and B value. We always will do A times C value here. So we'll always do that 12 times 2 here, which gives us 24. Now we think of the multiples of 24 just like we normally do. 1 and 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6, 5 times 8. That's it. That's all the multiples. Now, the key is just like you normally do. Which of these will add up to give me 11? No, that gives 25, 14. That gives me 11. This is who I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bust the B up from 11x to be a 3x and an 8x. So I'm going to make it a 3x plus 8x. So the equation just gets changed. Again, this is why I call it busting B, because you're simply going to take it and change the equation from 12x squared plus 11x plus 2 to 12x squared plus 3x plus 8x plus 2. We took the B piece and broke it into two separate bits. Now we're going to group these together, and now we factor out within this and factor out within this, and let's see what happens. So you have 12x squared plus 3x. 12 and 3, I can pull a 3 out. X squared and x, I can pull an x out. I'm left behind with 4x plus 1. Here, you can pull, it has 8 and a 2, I can pull a 2 out. I'm left behind with a 4x plus 1. Notice this has a 4x plus 1, this has a 4x plus 1. So really we can factor now. We have these two multiplied plus these two multiplied. We can factor out of these two things. The 4x plus 1 can be factored out. And you're left behind then with this guy, 3x, and that guy plus 2. It's just factor by grouping is what we end up doing. We end up busting B into two pieces, and then we factor by grouping. That's how we do this problem number 2, busting B, factoring it this way.